Your website is leaking trust in the first 5 seconds, not because your business is bad, but because your site feels cheap. And here's the scary part. Most visitors decide whether to trust you before they even read a word. That decision usually comes down to design, speed, and structure. And that's exactly where most people mess up. They start with free themes, random templates, and quick fixes. It works until it doesn't. Slow load times, broken layouts, zero credibility. This is why Envato exists. Envato gives you professionally built themes and templates made by experienced developers and reviewed for quality. These aren't just nice designs, they're built for performance, clarity, and real-world use. Whether you're building a WordPress website, a Shopify store, or a landing page for ads, you're not starting from scratch. You're starting with a proven foundation. That means less fixing, less rebuilding, and a website that actually feels trustworthy. Here's what changes after that. Visitors stay longer, your brand feels legit, and conversions stop being a guessing game. If you're serious about building a website that works instead of just existing, check the Envato link below. And for more smart breakdowns like this, subscribe to Dgtal Grow. We help you build online the right way from day one.